Hey guys, in today's video I've got something interesting for you. I'm going to show you how you can block any site from your PC without using any additional softwares. So maybe if you have bought a PC for your children and you don't want them to visit certain sites, so this is one way you can do it without using any additional softwares. So let me show you how you can achieve that. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Notepad. So you can just type in Note. So once you have Notepad there, you can just click on it and open as administrator. So now that you have the Notepad open as administrator, you want to click on File, then you want to click on Open. So you want to navigate to your C drive, then you want to go on Windows. Then after Windows here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says System32. So you want to click System32 like that. And here we want to look for drivers. So you just want to press D and then you should see driver. Double click on drivers, then you can click here where it says etc. Click on that. So now you are seeing it's showing you that there's no file. It's because we need to click here and select all. So now that we have all the files in this drive, we need to open this hosts. So we want to click on host and click open. So now here what we want to do here is simple. Under here we just want to type in 127.0.0.1, then space, then the URL for the site. So for example, if I want to block Facebook on this PC, I will do the same, which is www.facebook.com, like that. So now I've got that the way it is. Then I can just go here, file, then I can go here where it says save. So now that it's saved, we just need to go on maybe Google Chrome, for example, and we need to type in Facebook. So the way it is Facebook here, if I click on that, and as you can see, if I try to go to Facebook, this is what is going to be coming up. So if I go here advanced, as you can see, it will only show this information here. Even if I reload, as long as it's Facebook, it will not go to Facebook. So now if I change this Facebook, if I change it to YouTube, so if I change it to YouTube and then I click file, save again. So now if you go to our browser, Facebook should be working. So as you can see you in the next one.